In order to be safe, a pedestrian crossing must be signaled and illuminated correctly. The flashing lights and the LED backlit signs, certified according to the reference standards, alert the drivers of the presence of a pedestrian crossing from a distance. The illumination on a horizontal plan completes the signaling with a light concentrated on the crossing, creating a dramatic contrast with the surroundings that contributes in drawing the attention of drivers. However, besides identifying the crossing, drivers must be able to see the pedestrians that are using it, and this can be done only by illuminating their bodies, also called vertical plan. Making pedestrians visible starting from the waiting areas allows drivers to respond to the situation safely, preventing accidents and dangerous situations. For all of this to be possible, it is necessary that the light fixtures anticipate the crossing so that they can illuminate the side of the pedestrian facing the incoming traffic for both traffic directions.